Hey guys, Gina Olson here, owner of Trends Luscious Lashes. Today I am going to share with you how to make your own tinted moisturizer or BB cream. So you're gonna need 3 products. You're gonna need a face primer. Face primer is so important. I absolutely love Younique's Glorious Face Primer. It fills in the fine lines and wrinkles. It's silicone based, not oil based. It's gonna give you an amazing canvas to apply your makeup on and help your makeup last all day long. Second product that you're gonna need is a moisturizer. I absolutely love Younique's Hydrating Day Cream because it has an SPF already in it and it's hydrating. When our skin especially craves extra hydration in the winter months, this stuff is amazing. There is 2 other moisturizers in Younique's line that might work better for your skin type, but I'm actually gonna show you with the Hydrating Day Cream. And the third product that you are gonna need is your Touch Liquid Foundation, AKA Photoshop in a Bottle. Women absolutely love this foundation. It goes on as a liquid and dries as a powder. However, sometimes in the winter months, our face dries out and it's a little bit, it doesn't go on like it's supposed to. And that's when our skin really craves that tinted moisturizer or that BB Flawless, but we want that extra coverage. So let's get started. You're gonna start with a pea-sized amount of the Glorious Primer. You're gonna rub that in all over. Ideally, you want to let that sit on your face for a couple of minutes, and if you have extra, you can run it through your hair. I want you quickly to see how imperfect my skin is. I do not have perfect skin. So take about a pea size, maybe a little bit bigger size of your moisturizer, and then a drop full of your Touch Liquid Foundation. You're gonna rub it together so it's blended well, just like the same texture as a BB cream. You can apply it with your hands, but once I apply it, I do like to use a blending bud to just push the foundation or tinted moisturizer into place. A little tip, I do like my blending bud to be damp. I have sprayed this blending bud with some rose water. Look at that coverage, you guys. You will love this coverage. It's lightweight. Let's finish up on the other side so we are matched here, but you can already tell that this coverage is amazing. It's hydrating. It's gonna give you the extra coverage that a normal tinted moisturizer wouldn't give you. The foundation alone is a medium coverage foundation. By adding the moisturizer, the hydrating moisturizer, you're adding some SPF, you're adding more hydration, and just that lighter, creamier coverage. All right, there you go. These are the 3 products that I use to create my own tinted moisturizer, aka BB cream. Look at these results. They are amazing. If you want to be color matched for the foundation, or want me to help you pick out the right moisturizer for you, let me know. I would love to help you. Have a great day, and I hope this helped you. Talk to you soon. Bye.